Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Zora from Tax Avenue LLC. Tax Avenue is located at 225 Military Road, Buffalo, New York 14207. Our phone number is 716-381-3434. You're probably getting ready to file your 2024 tax year tax returns. Or you're probably trying to stay ahead of the game for 2025. Well, you're in the right place. We've got a breakdown of the IRS updates and changes that you need to know to avoid surprises and to maximize your tax savings. First things first, 2025 brings some significant IRS updates for the 2024 tax filing. Whether you're a taxpayer, a business owner, or a tax professional, you'll want to understand how these changes will impact you. Here's a quick rundown of the key updates. First, it's the standard deduction increase, the earned income tax credit adjustment, new retirement contribution limits, changes to the child tax credit, and then energy efficient tax incentives. Let's get started with the standard deduction. For 2024, the IRS has increased the standard deduction amounts. This is great news for most taxpayers as it will help to lower your taxable income. For single people, it's now $14,600. For married couples filing jointly, the standard deduction is $29,200. This increase is a result of inflation adjustments and will help many Americans keep more of their income. Next up, the IRS also adjusted the earned income tax credit for inflation. For tax year 2024, maximum earned income tax credit amount is $7,830 for qualifying taxpayers who have 3 or more qualifying children. If you're saving for retirement, here's a change that you'll want to pay attention to. The contribution limit for 401k and IRA accounts have increased. For tax year 2024, the contribution limit for a 401k is now $23,000. That's up from $22,500 in 2023. The IRA limit is also increased from $7,000 for individuals under 50 and $8,000 for those 50 and over. These increases can help you save more for retirement while lowering your taxable income in the process. Now, let's talk about the child tax credit. For 2025, the credit amount remains the same, but there's an important thing to notice. The income limits for qualifying for the full credit have now been adjusted upward. This means that more families will be eligible for the full $2,000 credit per qualifying child. Finally, there are some exciting new incentives for those making energy-efficient upgrades or purchasing electric vehicles. The IRS has expanded tax credits for home improvements like solar panels or energy-efficient appliances. You can claim up to $3,200 for energy-efficient home upgrades and up to $7,500 for purchasing an electric vehicle. So, if you've been considering going green, 2025 is the year to do it. To sum it all up, this year brings a lot of positive changes to the tax landscape. From increases in the standard deduction to expanded credits to retirement savings options, there's plenty to be excited about. But as always, I recommend working with a tax professional to make sure you're making the most of these changes. That's all for today's update. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends who might benefit from these updates. As always, stay informed, stay ahead, and good luck with your taxes. Thank you again. This is Zora from Tax Avenue LLC.